When someone comes to you and they say, hey, we want to buy a house,
Yeah.
what are those things that lenders are looking for?
So yeah, three main things that we're looking for in a pre-approval. There is credit, income, assets. So first part being credit. So by that, I mean, I need to take an application and I'll run your credit score. And so when I do that, I'm looking for the score. There's three scores that a mortgage lender is going to take into account. There's TransUnion, Experian, and Equifax. So we take the middle score of the lower borrower.
Okay.
So yeah, lots to keep track of there.
Okay.
So the middle score of the lower borrower, and we're also going to look at the monthly payments that you have on your credit report.
Okay.
And that is what determines your debt to income ratio, which we will get into. But so credit is the first thing. Income, that's somewhat of a complicated question, but I'll make it easy here. So there's a few styles of income. There's self-employment.
Sure.
There's contractor income, 1099s, and then there's the standard hourly W-2 wage earner.
Sure.
Typically, what we see, the standard W-2 wage earner. So last 2 years of W-2s, 30 days of pay stubs, and then that covers your income. If we're looking at self-employed, then we're looking at tax returns typically. So 2 years of tax returns is what we'll need, and we'll dive into the types of businesses that you own. We also will need, as far as income, if you have rental income, potentially the either the leases or the tax returns will tell us the rental income amount we can use.
Okay, excellent.
Assets.
Yep, third part.
Third part there. Assets, so that's sourcing your down payment, and there's a few ways we can do that. So we're looking for funds that you're going to be using for the transaction, and that's going to be bank account statements, investment account statements, potentially a retirement account. We'll need at least 60 days history, so 2 most recent monthly statements or most recent quarterly statements to source the down payment.